Alright, the Zippo truck stopped by briefly today. Let's see what he dropped off. Alright, now this is another one that came in the normal Zippo black box. And it is labeled Iced Skulls Regular. I wonder if there's a fancy Iced Skulls. Okay, so here is the nice little Zippo. Nothing special about the insert. Now this one is on a black ice case. I think it's called black ice. Now those skulls in there are kind of hard to see, but there are a lot of them. There's one big one on one side and lots of little ones. There's another one on this side. Lots of small ones. And this is on a steel case, and it does have a steel insert. Lights up nice. And this was made in D. That is April of 14. Made in Bradford, PA. Got a really good sound. Nice and solid, no rattle. Lights up nice. So that is the Iced Skull. And you can see there's lots of skulls on this one. It's a pretty nice one. I would carry this one. Both sides have lots of skulls and crossbones. Not bad. And yes, this deserves a little bit of cowbell. Knuckle bomb.